Let's begin WordPress installation on live server. Log into the control panel from hosting account. We are going to install WordPress using installer from application installer. Click on install from application. Click on application browser. Here we can see all available application under the installer. Today we are going to install WordPress. So click on WordPress. Click install this application button to begin installation progress. Click this installation application button to begin installation process. Now enter the domain details. Enter the directory. We are going to install subdirectory called home. This is our WordPress installation file location. We can install in the root directory also. Here I'm going to install on subdirectory called home. I will show you the location. Open the file manager. This is our installation location. Accept the license agreement. Enter admin login details. This is to access the website backend for admin purpose. Enter the password. Enter the email address. This email ID used to recover admin login details in case if we forget password. Enter the website title as well as the website tagline. Here we can select automatically manage all advanced settings including database name, database username, database password, as well as host, etc. All settings will automatically create during the installation. Or already if you have created database details, we can enter here by selecting second option. Let me manage the settings. Here we are going to select automatically manage. Click on the install button. Now installation is process. And is complete now. From here, we can access backend by clicking second link. Or we can directly go to the domain name slash wp hyphen admin. This is the admin login URL. Now we are in the admin dashboard. Now we can check install theme. We can change theme and install new theme. See how I'm going to change the theme. Activate the theme and check the front end. Log out admin. You can also log in again. Let's check our WordPress installation directory on the server. Open File Manager. Click on Home folder. We can see all the WordPress website under WP Content folder. Can see all the installed themes and plugins. See now we can install new plugins. To add plugin, click on the Add New. As well as we can create new pages under Page tab. Hope this video being helpful for you. Next video I will show you how to install, customize theme and to make a beautiful WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe it.